Ramazan Bey biliyor. Ramazan Bey bakar mısın?
Bu Evren Otosanayi sitesi.
Abi buradan sağdan dümdüz gideceksin. İleride solda.
Teşekkür ederim.
Ama bayağı gideceksin.
O köprünün öbür tarafında, bir tarafı burada.
Ha, tamam.
Yani iki tarafı
Sağ ol.
yazıyor zaten.
Anladım, tamam.
Getting close here, ladies and gentlemen. Industrial business complex.
Sekizinci blok nere?
Abi 8 daha yukarıda ya. Burası B şey oluyor. B blok oluyor. 20'den başlıyor. 18'den başlıyor.
Sanayi sitesi Evren, sanayi sitesi aşağıda mı? Evren. Sağ ol. Beşinci blok. Ya oradan buraya gönderdiler.
Bak 16. blok. 5. blok yukarıda.
Düz gidiyorsun.
Evet.
Okay, we have found the mother load. It looks like they've got a whole block of stuff here. Yeah. Here's okay.
Yeah.
Here's where the lathing goes down.
I think you have to hurry up because
Oh.
see the casting.
Oh, we got a casting going. Oh, excellent. We're in the Fort Foundry. Yeah. Wow.
That's the amazing part.
Yes.
It's like pizza. Is that right?
Yeah.
You know?
So they only do this a few times a day, or?
They're doing 3 times in a week. 3 times.
Oh.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
So I'm lucky.
Yes, we are so lucky today.
Amazing.
Yes.
When I've seen videos, so I just thought it might be nice to take a look. And that must be where they flatten them there.
Yes.
Okay. Very cool. And this is
They are melting the copper and tin inside. They are pouring it inside.
mixtures of.
Yes, and 80% copper, 20% tin. And they are doing this on Tuesday and Thursday.
Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, they're making the metal. That's amazing. That's a big machine.
We have,
Here's the hammering area and lathing.
yes, right?
Here's cymbal artists over here. Wayne.
John is working very hard.
Okay, how do you pronounce it again? So I have
Sevgi. My name is Sevgi.
Sevgi.
Sevgi. English means love.
Loud?
Yes.
Sevgi. That should be my name. This is where they store the cymbals, and there's way too many for one day. And here's where they put the painting them, right?
Yeah.
Painting the little logos. And here's where they
And stamp.
stamp.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got a shirt for Jeff Watts because he's an all-around good guy. And
He's gonna be Arthur Anderson.
I doubt it.
I hope.
Oh well, you know, you never know. You never know.
Maybe he can change his mind.
Maybe.
Yeah.
You know.
For our T-shirt and our symbol.
Tony Williams, Ralph Penland.
Do you wanna meet Mr. Mehmet?